Based on that vision and strategy, we developed our offer. And the offer has 6 components. And looking at it, you know, we have the largest network in the world. We certainly then leverage the network we have with a global M2M SIM card. So with this global M2M SIM card, you can get access to the Vodafone network when you are in a Vodafone country, or to any other network if you're outside of a Vodafone country. So it's really global coverage and you don't have to worry about it. Maybe some of you have heard the name GDSP. So this is our global data service platform, which we developed in-house in Vodafone to manage M2M connections, and we give you access to that platform via a portal on the internet or via API interfaces. M2M solutions and products, which I just alluded as a strategic component. We have developed specific SLAs, service level agreements, for machine to machine. And that's really important, really important. Because M2M, it's very different to the smartphone business, right? When you implement an M2M SIM card into your product, then it becomes part of your product, right? And for example, BMW is one of our customers, so they put an M2M SIM card into every car when they produce the car. So therefore, the Vodafone service becomes part of the car, like the engine or the wheels or the interior. So therefore, BMW expects from us, and also our other M2M customers, they expect from us specific service level agreements for these M2M services, and we provide them. We have strong partners across the ecosystem, right? So we partner with market leaders in the hardware space to make sure that the hardware that our customers use works seamlessly with our network. We have partners on the system integrator level, like Accenture, IBM, HP. So we have a bunch of partners we work very closely with and very successfully. Just 1 month ago, we signed a contract. It's not publicly available, but with a car manufacturer in Southern Europe. There are not that many around these days, so maybe you can figure out who it is. But on this deal, we worked with a system integrator with Accenture, and we jointly won this huge deal. So we are able to work with these customers and partners together and make it possible to implement machine to machine. And obviously, Vodafone has a very strong brand and a long, many-year history and experience in machine to machine. So it gives you financial stability and really the security that we will invest in our networks, keep them up to date, and that you can always enjoy the most advanced and latest technology on our networks and in M2M. Just quickly, in a little bit more detail, the Vodafone network, more confidently connected. And that's also a huge differentiator in machine to machine, because the SIM card, our service, becomes part of your product, right? So therefore, by owning more than 30 countries, or not the network in more than 30 countries, so we own them, we can make sure that we provide quality of service, service level agreements, troubleshoot, etc., etc. So that's really important because we fully control that. So if there's a problem, we call our people to fix it, right? So that's really a huge advantage. Then, outside of our own networks, we have agreements with more than 50 partners across the world. The M2M Platform, the GDSP platform. So we developed this platform in-house. It's a Vodafone product, so we own the IPR. We own the roadmap. If you have a specific requirement, we can make it happen. Most of our competitors, they use a third-party platform, such as Jasper or Ericsson. And this platform has been shared with many, many other mobile network operators. They don't have this under control. They can't influence the roadmap. We can. we have this fully under our control and it's our responsibility. It's on our roadmap. And we invest significant amount of money in this platform to make it even more innovative and to add more features to it in the future. So what is the platform doing? So you have your devices with a SIM card. The devices send data over the Vodafone network to the platform. You as a customer can get access to the platform via an internet web portal or through API interfaces which connect to your backend systems. And this platform then gives you visibility on the number of SIM cards you have deployed in the field. What is the status of these SIM cards? Are they active? Are they deactivated? How much data usage do we have on each SIM card? And you can also define and set certain business rules. Then, machine to machine is still fairly complex if you look into the detail. Right? And typically, our customers and end customers, they know how to manufacture cars, right? That's their core competency, for example. They know how to build great devices like the Amazon Kindle, but they are not really experts on machine to machine and the level of detail that is required to implement that. So therefore, we established and put in place an entire organization for providing professional services to our customers. And with this organization, where we have global experts, but also local experts in each market, also here in Romania, we help our customers to move along the entire journey from the beginning. Now, we provide consultancy services to help them on the requirements analysis, the business case, development, and so on. And we take them through the solution design and development, where we support them with the architecture of the solution. We do piloting, and we have also a test innovation center where we can take the device and test it in our environment. Then implementation, we help them with the technical onboarding and the rollout of the solution, and once the solution is out there in the market, also with operational services, a help desk, training, support, and service management. So clearly, with this organization, we help you to meet cost, time, and quality of your M2M project. Vodafone's end-to-end M2M solution. So here, we combine hardware and devices with our connectivity and also add application software and services to that. And we focus on a few use cases, such as asset tracking, smart metering, telematics, fleet management, to put together pre-packaged, pre-tested, pre-integrated solutions that we can sell jointly to our customers. This is just a list of customers that we typically show. So Amazon talked about that, also General Electric from the US is one of our customers. We have BMW, which I briefly mentioned. Centrica is a utility company in the United Kingdom. And also we have TomTom, the manufacturer and service provider for navigation services. So it's really a great time being in machine to machine, working with you as our customers and making your customers even more competitive and more successful. So machine to machine is a strategic investment for Vodafone. So we will continue to invest in machine to machine. We will accelerate our roadmap even more. We will come up with new products, new services, new solutions. We want to jointly develop with you. So tell us your requirements and we can drive this forward together.